Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, we are thrilled to present you with the latest and trendiest outdoor side table designs for 2023. As weather warms up, it's time to spruce up your outdoor space and create a stylish and functional oasis right in your backyard. From sleek and modern designs to rustic and bohemian vibes, we have curated a collection of side tables that will elevate your outdoor living experience. Let's dive in and get inspired. If you are a fan of clean lines and contemporary aesthetics, these minimalist outdoor side tables are perfect for you. With sleek metal frames and minimalistic tabletops in materials like glass or smooth concrete, these tables effortlessly blend style and functionality. They create a chic and understated look, complementing modern outdoor sitting beautifully. Bring a touch of nature to your outdoor space with these natural and organic side table designs crafted from materials like teak, rattan, or reclaimed wood. These tables showcase the beauty of natural textures and earthy tones. Whether it's a woven rattan side table or a tree stump transformed into a rustic essence piece, these designs will infuse your space with a cozy and bohemian vibe. Get the most out of your outdoor side table with versatile and multifunctional designs. Look of tables that offer additional storage compartments, built-in coolers, or even convertible features that can transform into a serving or a fire pit. These innovative designs maximize functionality while adding a unique element to your outdoor setup. For those who love an urban and industrial aesthetics, these side tables will make a statement in your outdoor space. Industrially inspired designs often feature metal frames with distressed finishes combined with materials like reclaimed wood or concrete for the tabletops. We hope you enjoyed this video and found inspiration for your own outdoor space. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up if you found it helpful, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting design ideas and inspiration. Feel free to share your thoughts and favorite designs in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. So please care for you because and subscribe my YouTube channel because I collect latest ideas and designs for you for your home interior decoration.